like credit card info, in the browser when using Facebook or other sites. This is managed through your browser settings, not directly inside Facebook. Here's a voiceover only script for your channel. How to Mastery voiceover script. Welcome to How to Mastery. In this video, I'll show you how to turn off autofill for payment forms in your browser so your card details don't automatically appear when using Facebook or other websites. If you're using Google Chrome, open Chrome and tap the three-dot menu. Go to Settings, then tap Autofill and Payments. Select Payment Methods and turn off the toggle for Save and Fill Payment Methods. If you're using Microsoft Edge, open Settings, tap Profiles, then Payment Info, and switch off Save and Fill Payment Info. For Safari on iPhone, go to Settings, scroll down to Safari, and tap Autofill. Then turn off credit cards. That's it. Autofill for payment forms is now disabled, and your browser will no longer suggest saving or filling in card details. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to How to Mastery for more quick tutorials.